Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Assalatu Wassalamu ala Khatimin Nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah Ta'ala fi Surah Al-Baqarah: كتب عليكم إذا حضر أحدكم الموت إن ترك خيرا الوصية للوالدين والأقربين بالمعروف حقا على المتقين. Translation: Will, testament, is prescribed for you as obligatory. When death approaches to one of you who is leaving wealth behind, that he should make a will, testament, in favor of his parents and near relatives, equitable in all fairness. This is obligatory duty upon all the pious fearing Allah. In the previous ayah, we read the law of qisas, which is about the life of a dead person. Now, here, the laws of his wealth are described. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given this ayah as the pre-Islamic Arabs would give a share of inheritance only to the wife and children, and sometimes only to favorite sons. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave this ayah, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told that parents and other relatives should also be given in the will. The scope of inheritance has been expanded here to include those who were omitted earlier, and the making of a will has become an obligation. Sometime later, detailed shares of inheritance among the various relatives were prescribed in Surah Nisa, and therefore the making of a will became desirable but not obligatory. There is a famous hadith on this topic, and Hazrat Saad ibn Abi Waqas anhu narrated that at during the year of the conquest of Mecca, I got so sick that I thought that I will die. Prophet Muhammad came to see me, and I asked him that I have lots of money and only my daughter gets the wealth as per the miras, the inheritance law. So should I make a will for all my wealth? Prophet Muhammad said, no. I asked, what about two-third? He said, no. He asked, what about half? He said, no. Then I asked, what about one-third? And he said, yes. You can make a will about one-third of your wealth, and this is a lot. So, in Islamic law, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given all the shares to the family members and the percentages himself, and inshallah we will study those when we will study Surah Nisa. However, if somebody wants to make a will, he is allowed to make a will on his one-third of the wealth that he is leaving. So absolute obligation has been cancelled. However, it is still possible, especially if someone is dying and he has to pay some money for his zakat, or for his he has taken a loan from someone, or he has taken some money, or he's holding someone's money. He must make a will for paying those people. Also, it is mustahab or desirable that if he makes a will to do any good deal, a good deed in this world, or to give money to a poor relative who does not come in the law of inheritance. But he cannot make a will for anything that is not allowed in Islam, like haram thing. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Islam. Amin. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum.